This tutorial is to show you the Toxic Cookie Action Set plugin. You can purchase this plugin from www.toxiccookie.com, and what it does is it makes Photoshop much easier to use as far as novices and even some experienced users in taking away a lot of the working with masks, with skin smoothing, with colouring pictures, and effectively turns them into these brushes for you. So when you get the product, you just double click the product, it automatically inserts itself into Photoshop. It then gives you a few function keys that you can press, and what we're going to do is we're going to show you some of those function keys today. So we've got an image here, and I'm going to press F2, which is the skin brush. We've now got the brush, and we'll zoom into the image here so you can see some of the detail, and we'll start painting with this brush, and the more you paint on it, the smoother and nicer the image appears. It takes out any minor defects in the image. You can take out body art, piercings, all those types of things. You see, as I just paint down here, it just makes everything much nicer. Now if we look at this closely, there's a lot of products out there that will actually blur the image, and if you blur the image you lose a lot of contrast, a lot of detail, and it looks pretty awful. This is actually adding texture back into the image, so you can take a blurred image and actually paint skin texture back into that image, so you can repair defects, scars and things like that. And as you can see down here, we'll pick a mole here, and we can just, the more that we brush and paint on it, the smoother and nicer the skin appears. And we'll zoom out here and you can have a look how quick and easy it is. You don't need to know anything at all about Photoshop. You just press the function key and start painting effectively. Now that's a quick example. What we're going to do is going to press F12 to fix that layer that I've been working on, and we're going to look at eye colour now. So eye colour is F4. We'll press F4. We'll just zoom into the eye here so we can see, and the same thing applies. You have this magic brush as before, and you effectively just start painting the eyes. You can do it much neater, obviously, to spend some time on it. I'm just doing it very quick as a demonstration, but as you can see here, we can paint in the eye colours very quickly. Zoom back out and we can see there, very quick. Now you can also modify the colours in here, so we're going to go to Image, Adjustments, Hue and Saturation. So if you want a different colour set of eyes there, you can adjust the brightness, the contrast, and all the different types of things there. So that's how quick and easy it is to do the eyes. Now we're going to press F12 again and fix that layer. We're now going to have a look at the blush brush, which is F9, and it's similar type of thing again. You get a brush that you can work with, and you can start painting in some blusher into the picture. Some of the other things we can do in here, we can do lipsticks. Lipstick is F12, sorry, F11. So press F11 now, we'll go down to the lips, and again we'll just start painting in here, and this makes it much crisper, sharper. Again, you can do the same thing with the colour, adjust the colours to whatever you want inside there. There are tools in here for fixing hair, taking grey out of hair, whitening teeth, a whole range of added effects. If you want to put a border or a frame around the image, again you just press F7. As you can see, instantly you get a nice frame border around the image. There are features in there for working in black and white, so we can press F6 and it gives it an old grainy type of image, and again the brush inside there will actually paint back in, should I say, the colour. So you can decide that you want this half of the image to be in colour and the left to be in black and white, and it's all done through very simple function key presses, and paint in the feature that you've selected, and it is really as simple as that. You don't need to work with masks or anything complicated. You just hit function keys and just start painting, and that's the Toxic Cookie Action Set plugin for Photoshop.